Hey everybody, it's Jeff Berlin. I'm online quite a bit and I go there in part to see what's happening in the bass community. What are the thoughts that people are discussing? And one of the common thoughts is that people are looking to find ways to play better. I'm sure you've seen it yourself. My technique, how do I improve my technique? How do I develop my time? How do I develop my speed? How do I develop all of the elements that people want to develop? The simplest, the most direct, and the most proven way to find everything that all of us want is by reading music. Why? Because the notes tell us where to put our fingers on the bass. That's how we get better. This is how everyone has gotten better that has not only been self taught. So, if you want to improve, because this is a worldwide complaint I've noticed, if you want to improve, no matter the style, no matter your goals, no matter your interests, before we do all those things, we have to know what the notes are. Add 30 minutes of reading a day, and you are going to improve for life. Go to jeffberlinmusicgroup.com and go get Beginner Reading Book, or you could download it and have it that afternoon. The trick is that these lessons, this reading, is an addition to your day. It doesn't replace anything that you love about bass. Add reading, and you're going to leave all playing difficulties right where they need to be left, in the practice room.